All right, so here we are at the homepage of DriveSafeToday.com. We're a defensive driving provider, and we provide courses pretty much throughout the United States. And on the homepage, there's a select a state drop-down. So if you want to register for a course, just select the state that you want to take a course in. So here's a sample registration that we'll walk through. So select the state of Florida. And if you scroll down, you'll see the courses that we do offer, and these are DHSMV approved courses. So we'll select one of the courses here, and we'll go through a sample registration process. It's important to note here that the password, you need to put in at least 6 characters in the password field, and it will throw an error if you don't. And let's create that account. And so let's put in some sample information here. Now, one of the things with this particular course in the state of Florida is that it requires you to be a certain age in order to take the course, and it will throw an error if you're not. So we'll go ahead and select a birth date. And we'll go ahead and select, these are identity confirmation questions, and let's click continue. And then it gives you an option where you could do a text-based course or a video-based course. So we'll proceed through that. You have certificate delivery options, whether you want a certificate, a physical certificate to be sent to you in the mail. A certificate by email and download is provided for free, so we'll continue through this. And then you come to the payment page where you have a payment form here. If you do have a coupon code, you can put in a coupon code. We have the price listed. It's the course that's listed here, and then you have some disclosures that you can go through, and you have the option here to pay later if you want as well, which we'll click on and we'll go through so you get an idea. And that's one of the things where we allow to test drive the course for free. This is pretty much the form here. So let's click on pay later and see how that process works. And so here we are. This is the text-based version of the course where you have some images that are embedded in there as well. Now, each one of the pages, as per the state of Florida, what the state of Florida requires, it's a timed course, and it'll tell you how much time is left in the entire course, as well as how much time is left on each individual page, so you're not able to go on to the next page until that time ticks down and reaches 0. There is a syllabus here that kind of gives you an idea on what pages will be coming up and what they're about and how long they are. So that's a great feature to have, so you have a clear idea on what to expect. And then obviously the audio player, which is very straightforward. From here you can navigate either to your account, or if you want to navigate to any of the other pages, or if you do exit from this page and then you come back to this page at a later time, the course is set to resume from exactly where you left off. So you don't have to worry about having to start a particular page over again and the time counting down again. It's going to remember, for example, right now it's at 2:35. If we log off of this page, it will come back and resume from 2:35. And so that's the initial registration process. As we go through this, we'll go into more details so you have a full idea on how this works.